Welcome to Virtual Training Center Dadar. Students, I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we are going to learn Maths of Standard 4. The chapter name is Number Work. Yes, students, you know about 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, correct? You know how to read them and how to write these 3-digit numbers in words and in figures. Right? Now, today we will learn about 4-digit numbers and 5-digit numbers. Okay, we'll proceed. Yes, students, first we will take a little revise about the 3-digit numbers. Okay, write number name for the given numbers. See this, you know, this is a 3-digit number and the number name is 325. Second one, see that 667. Third one, 890. Okay, now this you know clearly because you studied this in standard 3rd. Okay. Now write the next 3 numbers. Now we will try to write the next 3 numbers here. Here 399 is given. Next 3 numbers in series, that is 400, 401 and 402. One more is there. 597. Yes, serially you have to add one number to that one. Then we will get the next number that you know. Correct? 598, 599, 600. Okay. Now write the 3 previous numbers before numbers. Then which number is given? 299 is given. We have to write 3 previous numbers. Means we have to minus 1. Then we will get the before number. Again minus 1 before number. Like that we have to do. Now here 296, 297 and 298 are the 3 previous numbers for 299. Correct? One more is here 369. Again we have to write 3 previous numbers. That is 366, 367, 368. Got this, students? Means here we have written next 3 numbers and previous 3 numbers. This is the revision about 3-digit numbers. Okay, can you tell? Please tell me the answer for this. Which is the biggest 3-digit number? You know about 3-digit numbers, correct? The smallest is 100, that is 100. Yes, which is the biggest 3-digit number? Yes, you are right. That is 999 is the biggest 3-digit number. Which is the next number? Yes, do you know which is the next number? Here we know that when we add 1 to the number, we get the next number. That we know because 299 plus 1 means 300. That is the next number. That I gave example. Here also you know that the biggest number is 999. Correct? Now we will add 1 to 999 and we will see what we will get. That is the next number. Correct? Now 999 I have written in the table. Then plus I will add 1. Yes, what will happen? We will see 9 plus 1 in the unit column becomes 10. So 0 here, 1 carry over. Then in tens place, 9 plus 1 is again 10. 0 I will write down and 1 carry over. In the hundreds place, 9 plus 1 again it is 10. 0 I will write here and I will write 1 in the left side box. Okay, now what we will write there? Here it is nothing but thousands place. Which place that is? Thousands place. So what is the next number? That is nothing but 1000. When we add 1 to 999, we get the next number, that is nothing but 1000. Dear students, now how many zeros are there after 1? Yes, 3 zeros after 1 makes 1000. For 100, we are giving 2 zeros after 1. For 1000, we are giving 3 zeros after 1. Remember this. Now 1000 is nothing but the 4-digit number. Got this? Okay, we will move further. Introduction of 4-digit numbers. Now here one table is there. You will see the place value also here. 4-digit numbers. Here. Yes, 4-digit numbers are given. We will write units place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. Now we know about this. After hundreds, to the left side, thousands place is there. Okay. In words, we will write the number. Now we will put the proper numbers in the proper places. 0 in the units place, 0 in the tens place, 0 in the hundreds place, and in the thousands place 1. Correct? And in words, how we write, that is nothing but 1000. Okay. Second one, 5 is in the unit place, 4 in the tens place, 3 in hundreds place, and 1 is in the thousands place. Now how we will read this? 1345. In words, we will write 1345. Please note down the spelling for thousand. THOUSAND. Okay. Now we'll move to the third one. Again here 2 is in the units place, 3 in the tens place, 5 in the hundreds place and 4 in thousands place. Now how we will write? 4532. Correct? 4532. Got this, children? I think the concept is clear for you. How to write the given numbers according to the places and how to write them in words. Now you can see here, look at the symbols, write the number and read it. See, dear students, here also units place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place is there. And beads are there in each places. You have to count that and you have to write in the boxes. See the first one, 2 beads are there in thousands place. That is nothing but 2000. 1 bead is there in the hundreds place. So it is 100. In the tens place it is 1 and in the units place it is 2. So it is 2112. 2112. Got this? Very easy. Whatever there in the place that we have to write here. In the second, see, in thousands place 2 is there. Hundreds place 0. No bead is there. And in tens place 3 beads. And in the units place 4 beads are there. That meaning 2034. Got this? Now, next one. No beads are there in the tens and units place. So it is directly 5300. Next one. No beads are there in hundreds place, tens place and units place. Only the thousand string has beads, that 5 beads. So it is 5000. The next one is 5320. And the last one is only the beads we can see in thousands place and in the units place. Now we will put 0, 0 in hundreds place and tens place. See there. 5003. Okay, good. Now write the given numbers in figures. Yes, here numbers are given in words. We have to write these 4-digit numbers in the figures. See here 4005. You know that 4005 how to write. 4 is in the thousands place. No hundred, no tens. So directly we will put 00 over there. And in the units place it is 5. Second one 5017 means no hundreds place. 0. Yes, 17. Next 7313 means all places have the numbers. 7313 means 1, 3. Last one 9999. 9999. Got this, students? Very easy it is. Okay, now using given digit only once, make 4-digit numbers and read them. See here, 4 digits are given. You have to use only once each number and you have to make 4-digit numbers and you have to read them. We will make some of them. Okay. Listen, students. If you go in clockwise direction, it will become very easy. See, I will show you. Now 2 I will take first, then 6, then 5, then 4. We got one 4-digit number. How we will read this number? 2654. Correct? 2654. The second number again, we will start with 2. Then I will change the place of 6. Here I will take 2. Okay, I will not change the place of 6. I will change the place of 5. 2, 6, 4, 5. See, I have changed only the last 2 numbers. So, how we will read this? 2645. In the third time, what I will do? Again, I will change the second number now. 2564. See this? It will become very easy. How to read? 2564. Again starting from 2. 2546. Only I am changing the places of the numbers. Now all these 4 numbers started from 2000. 2 more we will get. Means from 1 starting number we will get 6 4-digit numbers. Okay. Now again, can you tell? Again, I need your help here. Which is the biggest 4-digit number? You know now. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. 1000. Correct? Now the biggest 4-digit number is nothing but 9999. Correct? Now, which is the next number? Again, we know that when we add 1 to the number, we get the next number. Come on, we will draw a table and we will write here 9999. That is the biggest 4-digit number. We are going to add 1 to this number. Yes, we will add 9 plus 1, 0, 1 carry over. Again 9 plus 1 is 0, 1 carry over. 9 plus 1 is 0, again 1 carry over. In thousands place again we got 10. So I will write like this. We are going to write 1 to the left of 0. Now this is 10,000 we got. So it is named as 10,000 place. TTH means 10,000 place. Okay students, Now can you tell me which is the next number of 9999? That is nothing but 10,000. How many zeros are there after 1 year? 4 zeros are there after 1. Then it becomes 10,000. Okay. Now see here, introduction of 5-digit numbers. This is also very easy. See, these numbers we have to write in according to the columns. See, this is directly the 4 in the units place because it is in the last. Tens place, what is there? 8. Hundreds, 7 is there. In thousands place, 6 is there. And in 10,000s place, 3 is there. How we read this? 36,784. Got? The next one also like this. 6, 7, 9 here, 0, 8. Very easy. See here in the units place, 7 is there. In the tens place, 0. Hundreds place, 0. Thousands place, we will write 2. And 10,000s place, we will write 4. That is nothing but 42,007. Okay, last one is 5 in the units place, 7 in the tens place, 00, then 7 in 10,000s place. How we will read? 70,075. Okay. Yes, students, thank you very much. And you have to solve page number 7, page number 10 and page number 11. Whatever we did today, that all is in page number 7, 10 and 11. Some sums are there. Please try to solve them so that it will become practice for you. And in the next lecture we will move to the 6-digit numbers. Then it will become very easy to understand the concept. Okay? Take care.